Hello and welcome everyone. Today we're excited to show you the incredible capabilities of Dynamics 365 real-time marketing. This cutting-edge platform enables you to create personalized real-time marketing campaigns that engage your customers like never before. Let's get started. To begin, let's take a quick look at what Dynamics 365 real-time marketing is all about. It's a marketing automation platform that helps you deliver personalized and timely marketing messages to your customers, maximizing their engagement. As you'll see, the user interface is intuitive and designed to give you complete control over your marketing efforts. Effective marketing begins with understanding your customers. Dynamics 365 real-time marketing allows you to segment your audience to ensure your messages are relevant. You can segment your customers based on things like demographics, purchase history, and even real-time online behavior. This level of granularity is what makes your marketing truly personalized. For our example, we'll keep it entirely simple, but you'll understand the complexity that can be built on top of it. So we'll go ahead and start our new segment. We'll name it Contacts from Washington. Our target audience in this case will be contact, though we also have the ability to target leads. Query Assist, just one quick note on this is that Query Assist enables you to use common words and phrases to describe the people you'd like to include in a segment. Once you type and submit a statement, the service will translate to query using the information collected from your contacts, accounts, leads, and activities. We'll skip this for now just so you can see how the functionality builds itself using a query, designing it yourself. Although we can generate queries based on a series of attributes or behavioral elements, we are going to add a new group where the contact address one state equals Washington. So we'll go ahead and search for that attribute from the contact table, pull in the state where the state equals Washington. As the queries become more complex, you can add a series of and or conditions. So you can add things like subgroups to the group itself, which is going to give you an and clause. Otherwise, you can come in here and add a bunch of different other ones that will give you the option for and or. In our case, once we're ready to save the query, once we're happy with the build of it, we can save the draft and then make this segment ready to use. This is going to signify that the segment is ready to use in a journey. Because I'm in a demo environment, there are some limitations to what features are accessible versus what are accessible in a live environment. That being said, we still will be able to come and take a look at which members are going to be included in this segment just to make sure that our data is accurate. Take a quick look at that, and then we will go ahead and move on to our next phase. So once the segment is created, we'll discuss the creation and the maintenance of email templates. I do believe that it's essential to highlight some of the key importance of well-designed and effective marketing templates. It's really consistency and making sure that the key points are considered when you are talking about email marketing efforts and how they contribute to effective marketing with your audience. So of 6 things I want to make sure that we discuss, the first is customization. You have the flexibility to customize email templates to fit specific marketing campaigns and promotions, allowing for adaptability in your marketing strategy. Second is going to be consistency in branding. Your customization is going to allow you to maintain brand consistency. These email templates should absolutely reflect your brand's colors, logos, fonts, and your overall visual identity. The consistency is going to build trust and recognition with your audience. The third is content structure. So your branding is going to standardize things like headers, footers, as well as the body of the email. The consistency in the layout and design is going to make it easy for your recipients to quickly grasp the content and the call to action, as well as your internal team to maintain the emails to be used again and again. Fourth is A/B testing. So when you're designing emails, there may be value in A/B testing. These email templates should allow for testing different elements like subject lines, images, and just things like that, just to make sure what resonates best with your audience. Fifth is ease of use. So throughout the process, you'll find that there are going to be easy to use template creation tools. This is a user friendly interface and a drag and drop functionality, which can save your users incredible amounts of time. Finally, testing and preview. So before the email goes out to your real clients, you have the ability to preview and test email templates before sending out to identify and fix any issues, ensuring that there is a seamless recipient experience. So now that we've addressed some key points, let's first take a look at what a completely blank template is going to look like. You'll see that there is functionality for multiple elements like text, image, buttons, columns, etc. Keep in mind that you may have your email templates be anything from this to what you'll see in a moment from our product launch, from this to anything in between. Obviously, you can have as many templates as you like. Say, for example, you're marketing different products for different reasons, etc. After you've seen this, I now want to take a look at what a demo product launch would look like. So as you can see, it utilizes several of the features that I've just discussed. This includes the drag and drop text box, images, etc. It incorporates logo and themes into it as well. If anything needs to be changed, it can be done so directly in the content boxes, typing into them, changing anything you might like, and then you go ahead and save it. So once you've segmented your customers, it's now time to create the personalized journeys along with our emails. This is where Dynamics 365 real-time marketing, I believe, really shines. It allows you to create multi-channel customer journeys that adapt in real time based on customer interactions. It's really like having a one-on-one conversation with each customer. So we have two different options to begin our journey. We'll have trigger-based and segment-based. Trigger-based allows us to change the content of our marketing messages in real time based on customer actions. Segment-based allows us to reach out to the target audiences like the one we've just built. So we'll select our segment that we created. Contacts from Washington. We'll select the frequency, which is a one-time journey where newly added audience members can start at any time. And then we'll select the start date and the time that we want to send the announcement. So let's say we want to start at the end of the week at 8 a.m. and let this journey run for analytics purposes through the next Friday. So this is our design editor for our journey. It's a bit different from what you just saw on the segments, but the functionality is pretty close to the same thing. So we'll use our plus symbol to the journey canvas so we can add the individual steps within our journey. So the first thing we'll want to do is send an email. That's the first step of the journey we want to create, is being to send the product announcement. So we'll select plus, send an email. Which email do we want to send? That will be our product launch template. We'll get a quick preview of what that is, and it's going to send directly to the email address of the contact that we want to send the email to. Just to show off a little bit more of the functionality, we're going to select an if-then branch to branch off of this property of that previously selected product launch email. So we'll add an if-then branch. Our if-then branch is going to be that the email event is clicked, and we want to wait 1 day to indicate that the customers have up to 1 day after receiving the email to click the product link. So as long as it gets an interaction, our interaction is email link clicked, and the time limit is going to be 1 day. If yes, we want to go ahead and send our email out afterwards, which is going to be our event draft email, which could be something else entirely that's inviting them to some event that we're hosting for our product launch, etc., and things like that, sent to the email. If they don't do that, then this will go ahead and be the only experience that your users have. If they don't click, either way, analytics can be judged on both of these things. So from here, we'll save and publish our journey as it's now ready to be sent out. So hit save. and publish. And it's important to note right now that because this is a demo environment, which only includes the solutions, not the services required by the marketing app, this means really that the backend setup that's required is not live here. But for you, your setup would allow you to publish it and go live with this journey, which would queue it in the background to be ready to send out. The last thing that I want to make sure that we quickly discuss that is really essential to measure is the impact of your marketing efforts. So with Dynamics 365 real-time marketing, you have powerful analytics and reporting at your fingertips. You can track campaign performance, conversion rates, and customer engagement in real time. So this data is going to empower you to fine-tune your marketing strategies for maximum impact. As you can see, custom Power BI dashboards are created to help you understand your efforts in incredible detail, which can also be viewed directly in the journey itself um, as you manage it. All this is to be said is that the key to effective real time marketing is data integration. So, your Dynamics 365 real time marketing seamlessly integrates with your customer data. This means that you can leverage your existing customer data to highly personalized marketing campaigns that are going to be contextually relevant. So, there you have it, a glimpse into the incredible potential of Dynamics 365 real time marketing. It's not just about sending messages, it's about delivering personalized real time experiences that captivate your audience. Thank you for joining with us today. If you're interested in taking your marketing to the next level, reach out to our team to explore the full capabilities of Dynamics 365 marketing.